Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change device name of this laptop. So to do this, open the Start tab, Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System, and scroll all the way down to the About section. Then here, select Rename this PC option, and input the new name of your device. Once you rename your device, your PC will restart. Click Next. Make sure that you don't have any space bars in between. Click Next and wait until your device restarts. Select Restart Now. And once your device is restarted, you can check the name in the same settings section. So Start menu, Settings, then System, About, and here is the new name of your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.